Luscombe Mitsubishi are proud to present this fantastic one owner, low mileage Toyota Aygo Blue Edition. With LED daytime running lights, black alloy wheels, and contrasting black styling cues. Perfect for a first car. Has 5 doors also. Now the car has a reversing camera, it's capable of carrying 4 adults, and the blue styling cues continue on the inside as well. Giving this little city car a really modern touch. A 5-speed gearbox, air conditioning, and the touchscreen entertainment system. The car also has Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free calling. So the vehicle does have a full Toyota service history as well. And if you'd like to know any more about this car, don't hesitate to contact Luscombe Mitsubishi on 0113 277 6099.